Alright guys, as you can see we're in Hawaii here. Welcome back guys to the daily vlog here. Currently my sister and I are playing Pokemon Go. We're just doing some stuff. It's around 11 o'clock. We had some nice breakfast. It's a beautiful day out here. We're eating in for dinner tonight, so it's gonna be an extra relaxing day, which all of our days are relaxing. But the beach is down over that way. Other than that, I'll see you guys later today. Guys, so I just had soup for lunch and I watched the first Scream. Bruh. I watched the first Scream movie. It was pretty good. I recommend it. Other than that, I'm gonna go get my bathing suit on, and I think I'm gonna head down to the beach. I'm gonna bring my book, leave my phone here, and I might video my mom and dad's phone, just the scenery, and then send it to myself. And I think I'm gonna go to the pool, and I'll see you guys when I get back. We're making sliders for dinner tonight right over here. My sister's making them, sliders and french fries. And then out here, there's another luau going on the parking garage over here. And then down there, there's another Japanese party. You can see right there. And then the luau over there. We got firework night at 8 o'clock. Just setting it up right there. And I'll see you guys at dinner. One mistake and go away from the house. Filter. What? Is he lying for his buddy? No. Obviously. Like, look at one of these. It's like one of the hotel rooms. Boom. That's crazy. You can't make mistakes. No, kill someone. Kill someone. Go in someone's room and kill them. You wouldn't blow them. You could kill someone. You could hit someone in the balcony. It's so cool, running against the ocean. It's black. The ocean's like black back there. It comes in so many people, and the restaurants get money. The restaurant, all these people have to eat, Ashley. These people party out down the whole strip too, I remember. We'd walk down there. Yeah. Ashley and my parents made these sliders pretty good. Got my Asian Zing french fries. Ashley. And we might watch a movie later. We'll see though. Guys, my parents, or my mom, my grandma and I, my grandpa a little bit, just finished watching Dumb and Dumber 2. It was pretty good. Other than that, I'm so tired, so I'm going to hit the sack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.